Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport. Stock reference number 4354. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an SH-VPTR 2.2 litre bi-turbo 4-cylinder diesel engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH-VPTR 2.2 litre 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, manual fold type. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted 2-ton tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, manual fold type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat-nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.